Hey, Steve Zonardo here with Treviso Realty. We're in South Fort Myers at Timber Creek. This is the AVA model, which is AVA, they want to call it. It's the N-unit townhouse. It's 1,871 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. One of the largest townhomes I've seen in Southwest Florida. So let's have a look at it. You got your entrance off to the side, which is good too, because you got a lot. It almost plays off like a really big semi-detached with windows off to the side. So you get a lot of natural light coming in. There's a few things here that I want to point out that are very important. Number one is this, the screen lanai. Because a lot of the townhouses now, they don't have this. It's basically just a concrete pad that's poured. You don't get a screen lanai. So this is a good bonus, obviously, for indoor-outdoor space. And yeah, let's have a look at this property. So really good. So we got a good family room that we just saw now. Good eating size. This is your dining room naturally. We still got like an overhang, like a bar island kind of thing, like a breakfast nook if you want to call it. And you still got a proper eating area, a designated eating area. So you can kind of utilize one of these spaces if you don't need two eating spots. You could probably make this into a little bit of a niche office if you had to. Good sized kitchen, really good. I like this, actually, this run up with the granite. So there's no damage to the drywall when there's water being splashed. That's a really good option. You're gonna have a 2-piece bathroom off to just behind you there, which is close to the garage. There we go. So it's just a 2-piece bath. Again, a lot of natural light, which is nice. And this is your single car garage. Yeah. Good thing about Lennar is they have that everything included option. So if you saw in the garage, it had your garage door opener. It comes with these safety locks here, like these digital locks. It comes with a Ring alarm system and many other equipments for the internet boosting and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Let's have a look at the upper level. Look at that lizard. What's that? Okay, so we'll start at the front. Again, all nice space. These are your cupboards. And then this is gonna be your washer and dryer. So you got washing on the upper level, which it should always be. This door is just your HVAC system. And this is going to be your 3rd bedroom. Yeah, really good size. Also window, like this is really important. Obviously you want to take in the sunlight since you're in Southwest Florida, so natural light is going to be a must. And let's have a look at this 2nd bedroom here. We just have a look there. Just typical bedroom. Good thing is the upstairs, there's going to be a shower and a bathtub. So you have both options. If you have a young kid, naturally you're going to want a tub to wash your children. They're skirmish to get into a shower when they're young. And this is your primary bedroom. Amazing, like really big size. This plays out similar to one of the Amalfi models, almost similar size primary bedroom. And good thing is here you still got his and her walk-in closets off to the sides, and not quite the biggest shower, but it's a good size, no doubt. And they're all set up with a separate water closet, which is this door here where your toilet's gonna be. That's pretty much it. That's the end of the tour for Timber Creek in South Fort Myers. If you have any questions regarding any of this inventory, please give us a call, 647-962-4372. Have a great day.